Leke mlele ekhaya ke la ku-Lead Radio umthofo osekhithikhithi-ke ubhekwa mdluli-ke sikhona bukhoma lana-ke ekundlini zomsakazo-ke bathi-ke Educational Center la eduzane nje neMajuba TVET College sila e-section 2 emadadeni-ke uhlelo-ke la olumnandi kakhulu-ke mlele ekhaya sinabahlonishwa la eduze kwami-ke esizocela ukuthi-ke bayithule-ke sinabo njengamanje kanti si-live on Facebook page Lead Radio siphinde sibe live-ke online radio kuyo-ke uqobo radio siyazi-ke mlaleli ekhaya ukuthi abantu awusebene-Wi-Fi banamadatha kuhle lokho siyakupromote ukuthi nibe nakho uzokwazi ukuthi usitholeke kahle kakhulu nango umhlonishwa la eduze kwami ngizocela nje ukuthi-ke abingelele bese ayithula.
Sibingelele umsakazi, sibingelele abahlali abathe bathatha isikhathi sabo bathuna in kulolu hlelo lakho Bhuti Mthofu. Namhlanje lona okukhulumayo uSabelo wakaNtsele owuhlalo we-caucus ye-IFP eNyukhasela. Siyathokoza kakhulu Bhuti Mthofu ukuthi ube nathi namhlanje ukuthi sizoqondisa izinto ezithize. Siyathokoza.
Siyabonga. Nangu umhlonishwa futhi ngapha eduze kwami eduze noproducer uMhlengi Mphokamzeleni insizwa kuyona ebheka zonke inkinobho la ukuthi ihamba kahle mhlonishwa.
Angibingelele kuwena msakazi. Sithokoze kakhulu ukuthi nesicoshisa ithuba bese kuthi ngokukhethekile sibingelele abahlali basemajuba district at large, sikhuleke nasemakhosini aseNdlunkulu, sibingelele nakubahlonishwa bethu abasilalele la bese sithokoza ke ngokuthola ithuba lokuthi sibe ingxenye yalolu hlelo lalomsakazi omkhulukazi la esifundeni sethu sasemajuba. Gama lami ngukhansela uMbongeni Edward Hlatshwayo, o-Ward Council esigcemeni sase-Ward 6, othunywe iqembu leNkatha Freedom Party. I'm also a portfolio chair for community services eNyukhasela la ngihlala khona kwi-ESCO. Angithokoze msakazi.
Siyabonga kakhulu mfayisi. Bhuti la asibuke mhlawumbe ngifuna umnika isithombe nje umlaleli ekhaya isikhundla sakho ukuthi kahle irole yakho lapha emkhandlini njengoba usihlalo kanjalo wenzani yini lento mhlawumbe umuntu lapha phansi azoyi-understand bese siqhubeka.
Okay. Cha irole yami lapha emkhandlweni uqinisekisa ukuthi iqembu okuyilona elilida ubudlelwane obukhona njengoba abahlali bazi ukuthi asiphethe sodwa. Umuntu akakuveze lokho. Siphethe nezinye iy'nhlangano kodwa silidwa i-IFP. Irole yami uqinisekisa ukuthi ama-issues noma ama-items that has to do with umasipala wethu iNyukhasela mayeza kithi siyaqinisekisa ukuthi i-caucus iyahlala and bese siya-championa i-view noma silobhishe ukuthi sifisa ukuthi kumuveke kanjani kulawo ma-items esisuke sinawo kwi-caucus. And by the way, umuntu usecishe wakhohlwa ngu-ward councillor futhi wase
Ward 16.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, siyathokoza bhuti.
Yeah. Ngifuna ukubuka la Mr. Hlatshwayo ngiyazwa ukuthi u-ESCO chairperson we-community services. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe umnyango omkhulu kabi kamasipala la obhekele izinhlaka eziningi. So ngesingawe njoba nikhona nikule term nikhona uzothi kuhamba kahle niphethe kahle umnyango wakho nje kakhulukazi.
No, sithokoze futhi msakazi, sithokoze ngombuzo osipha wona. Okwamanje msakazi kufanele silikhuluma iqiniso, siphethe kahle kakhulu msakazi kuze sizokwazi ukuthi sibuyele kuleya zinga lethu la sasikade khona singelinye lamadolobhakazi aclean la eNyukhasela. But nje msakazi sikhumbuleke ukuthi community services is one of ama-revenue enhancement department. Mawuzo-check-a nje lapha kwi-statement sakho uyabona la ukuthi khona siyavela la kufanele sikoleke khona udoti, kodwa nje we are trying our level best iloku engingakusho with limited resources that we have, kodwa siyazama mhlonishwa.
So mfokansele la kukhona lento ethi i-IFP iphethe mangiqala nje phansi ifike ku-ANC kunesikweletu emkhandleni sogesi. So yafika nasiqeda kwacelebrate kwaba mnandi. Kodwa manje babeveza laba bafethu ababekhona ukuthi cha hayi manje ngathi sesidla amakhalane sibheke ku-billion. Angazi noma uyiqiniso kodwa ngifuna ukucacisa ukubeka njengoba kunjalo.
Cha Sithokoze bhuti Mthofu. Sekungaba iphutha lokuthi as i-caucus ye-IFP singavezi ukuthi sifike kanjani la.
Okay.
Because I think that is very important ukuthi siveze ukuthi sifike kanjani. Bhuti Mthofu uma umhlali nje waseNyukhasela ungayiqalanga ipolitiki namhlanje uzokhumbula ukuthi umkhandlu wathathwa before ama-elections ka-2011. Umkhandlu mangabe uthathwa abafowethu labo bebekhona la. Umkhandlu had ama-reserves bhuti Mthofu ka-422 million.
Okay.
Masivala nje 2010 2011 there's no 422 million ma-reserves. Masivula from 2020 i-financial year ka-2010 to 2011 to 2015 2016 bayibhubhisa bayiqeda leyo mali ebekade ikhona. Now sithola sihleli entweni ekhuluma ngokuthi njengoba sila esikhona, they went to absa 2020 2014 2015 DBSA 2013 2014 bawuboleka imali Mthofu. Mabeboleka imali abayiboleka 2013 20 sebeqeda, mind you sikhuluma ngo-2013 2014 sebewuqedile lo 422 million. Bhuti Mthofu angikwazi
so kusho ukuthi mawuthi wena baqede kuma-reserve kusho ukuthi singalinganisa ukuthi nayo ibekiwe lapha emphongolweni igade isimo sendlala ukuthi sikhangela ilanga basebenzisa ngona.
Sikhuluma nge-cash flow la, asikhulumi ngemali ukuthi ihleli kubantu ababolekile nani. Sikhuluma nge-cash flow kwi-bank account noma ngisho kanjalo kwi-bank account. Kodwa awukwazi ukuthi mawuxoxa ngale mali ungayibuki ukuthi zayithini izinto zepolitiki ngaleso sikhathi. Bhuti Mthofu ngo-2011 it was an election year. Mangabe kuvotwa ama-resource ayadingeka okucampaign. Ukhumbule ukuthi yila kwahamba khona imajuba bagaina amandla ngokuphelele eNyukhasela, bagaina amandla eDannhauser, bagaina amandla e-Utrecht. Usho ukuthi babathatha nje omasipala. Now lento fanele uyibuze ukuthi it's unfortunate ukuthi we can't deep in ukuthi siyobuka ukuthi yini le eyayenziwa ngemali. Bayiqeda leyo mali. Currently we see abantu on social media bepraise the former mayor uAbzulu ukuthi wayenza kangcono than bonke omeya. Njengamanje nje la ngo-2013 2014 umhlonishwa uAbzulu wahamba wathatha imali e-165 million to fund capital projects. You cannot take a loan to fund a capital project, and this information is available for anyone. Ukuthi access on kumasipala hamba request ayibukele ngoba iyahlupha lento ukuthi size la bese sivele nje sikhuluma nje izinto engekho fact based. Njengoba ubona nje Bhuti Mthofu nansi imali yaspendwa lokho nje lo 165 million, but ibuyihlekise Bhuti Mthofu, how do you take a loan to fund into ama-art garage? Is that a need or is that into eku-IDP? Ubuye uze ngapha 2014 2015 uAbsa 284 million. That includes the building ilokhunja ilokhunja ibhilidi nani lokho babekade bekwenza beboleka betsheleka imali belokhunja. And Bhuti Mthofu kwathi maselakhiwe lela bhilidi, ngiyakhumbula ibhilidi elidala kamasipala engale Old Mutual Center. On top of that, they went and renewed the contract. They were paying plus minus 400,000 monthly ukurenta.
Lesa sithi Nedbank Sun.
Yes, a vacant building. So ingakho ngithi kumele siqale la bhuti Mthofu bese futhi singakubalekeli ukuthi enye e-eda kulento yamaloni esihamba sayokhommitha kona eyenza ukuthi noma sizama uku-advance noma sizama ukwenza izinto as umasipala siyithole sibuyele emuva. It's a challenge of i-revenue collection ukukhokhwa kwama-rates.
So wena ngafushane nje uthi cha baphathile baboleka kungenasidingo kwezinye izinto njengoba ubala nje no-article bebesebenzisa imali beyibolekile. So kusho ukuthi base beshawuda kodwa still ngaleso sikhathi especially 2011 bangena baphatha base beyaphuma nina nifika akho lutho.
Bhuti Mthofu ngakuyiphutha masithi akukho lutho. Umuntu kumele appreciate amawadi awu-6 asedolobheni okuyiwona athwele lo masipala, because i-revenue that we are currently receiving as umkhandlu, it comes from there. So umuntu ngakukhuluma iphutha ekhohlisa nabahlali mengathi akho lutho ngoba kukhona okungenayo, but umasipala wethu kulamawadi awu-34 sithola amawadi awu-6
manje ngoba nawo amawadi awu-6 akakhala. Ngiyakhumbula kade manje ehambisa memorandum ecela nemihlangano nopholi kodwa abuya ngathi-ke awajabule ekutheni iy'mfuno zawo noma zibhekelelwe ngendlela ebhekelelwa ngayo. So mhlawumbe bakhona abalalela namhlanje yini ungayisho kubo ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi kwamanye ama-group abo bayakhala.
Kuyiqiniso bhuti Mthofu, awukwazi ukuthi ube nomasipala onamawadi awu-34. Out of 34, u-28 awuperform ngendlela in terms of ukukhokha. Lokho kuyiqiniso. Ngiyazi ukuthi thina as osopolitiki i-majority or amavoti ethu amaningi aqhamuka from koMatateni, Flaboshi, Osizweni asigcina emandleni. Hence sibe ne-problem bhuti Mthofu. And last year we went to ebantwini siyoba-advise ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi bathathe i-advantage of ama-incentives la asinawo as umasipala eNewcastle ukuthi baqinisekise ukuthi bayasondela la. Asisho thina ukuthi yabo ngizwile nje bekhuluma ngendaba yesikweletu abafowethu. We have never had an item wesixoxa ukuthi sifuna ukudla izindlu zabahlali. Ayikaze zibe khona emkhandlwini. Ngizwile nje ukuthi bekhuluma indaba ukuthi sa-defender njengo-ANC. By the way, mangabe kune-item emkhandlweni bhuti Mthofu hlale sibahlula because they don't have numbers.
Yeah.
So fanele ma umhlalo uhlele ekhaya uyibuza ukuthi bayidefende kanjani-ke le ukuthi ingenzeki. So akwazi ukuthi abantu beze la bezomislead abantu. We have never had such item, but into esiyenzile thina sifike sa-introduce ama-incentives. Ama-incentives
nesine labantu base east
abakhona because asikwazi ukuyobasevisa ngezimo ey'khona njengoba bese ngibalile. Sine-challenge ukuthi i-collection rate ilo yama-rates. Sine-challenge yama-loan ayenziwa i-previous administration. Bhuti Mthofu, i-administration engikhuluma ngayo ile ka-2011, 2016 iyasifaka la.
Sizobuka kwemhayisi uma sibuka la kunezinto ezenziwa mhlawumbe njengokuthuthwa kadoti. Unokubona kwesinye isikhathi uthole ebusuku khane beqala bethutha udoti. Isekhona lento ebeseke siyibona phambilini uthola ukuthi kunalento ukuthi hayi imoto kube ngathi iphukile kodwa ngo-4 imoto siyasebenza. Into enjalo ithini lapho ka-community services?
Ngibonga mhlonishwa, mhlambe msakazi kufanele umuntu aqala ukugcizelele lokho ukuthi zonke lezikweletu lezi ezahamba zayothathwa abahlonishwa laba ababekade bephethe ngalesi sikhathi there was no repayment plan for zona. Yizo-ke lezi ezisifaka enkingeni izinto zika 2011 kuya 2016. Ukuza-ke straight kulo mbuzo wakhe ongibuza wona mhlonishwa, njengoba ngike ngakubeka ekuqaleni ukuthi ama-resources are very limited. So kunama-compactor truck esicelile ukuthi umkhandlu usithengele wona. So okwamanje kufuneke ngikuchaze lokhu njengoba eseshilo nje usihlalo wami we-caucus ukuthi akuhambi kahle ngaseyimalini. So into-ke ekufanele uyenze-ke mhlonishwa ukuthi lamawadi awu-6 lawa okuyiwona akukhokhelayo funeke uwa-prioritize when it comes to i-service delivery. So siqala ngasedolobheni ukuyocollect udoti. Siqede njengoba itruck uzoyibona ntambama nje ngapha sisuke sesiza ngapha ngala esicollector khona kancane khona, but ngeke sibashiye ngaphandle ngoba abantu bakithi sisazama ukuthi sibafake egiyeni ukuthi cha, into yamahhala phela uzoyithola uma usejele, into yamahhala la uzonikwa khona wonke ama-services free of charge, but nakhona those services are not free of charge by the way, ngoba somebody else is paying for those services osuke uwa-enjoya. Kodwa nje in a nutshell asisenayo-ke leyo nto-ke bhuti wami msakazi, mhlawumbe nje kufanele ngikubeke nje kucace, le administration esikuyona ithatha serious into ye-service delivery, so ngeke sibe nabantu abalova endleleni abathi kunama-compactor truck afile. Mangabe ifile sihamba siyele thina physical workshop siyobheka ukuthi ife ngempela yini, bese siqinisekisa ukuthi iyabuya ize lokishini izosebenza.
Okunye Mhayisela abakusho bathi i-plant hire athengwa ama-plant kamasipala kodwa kuyaqhubeka namanje imali ibankulu ehirishela ama-plant hire. Uzokhumbula ukuthi naka-COGTA i-Joint Committee yayikuvezile ukuthi cha, inkulu imali espendwa ngale simo lesi se-plant hire. Mhlawumbe ungathini kulo?
Ngiphinde ngibonge futhi msakazi, njengoba silibeka udaba lokuthi la sibishe khona sibishe kuphi. So-ke siwumkhandlu msakazi wami, kunezinto ekufanele siyi-prioritize uma ngabe kukhona esesikutholile. Ngizokubekisela nje okokuqala ama-salaries. Okwesibili kufanele sikhokhe ibhili yasothukela. Okwesithathu kufanele sikhokhele nawo Eskom lo. Then emva kwaloko bese kuba o-service provider. So imali asaneli kahle hle. Uke wabeka kumhlonishwa ukuthi asikhokheleki kahle imali, more especially abantu abangapha osizweni nasemadadeni. Kodwa esingakusho ukuthi ngeke sibaneglect abantu singabasevisi ngokuthi imali iyashoda, kodwa nje ukubeka esithombeni mhlonishwa i-portfolio committee le eyayikade ihleli lapha ya it was politically motivated. Mina nje ngizokutshela ngalokhu ngishona le ngale ngoba it was a misleading session which was done intentionally. So nje okuningi okwakushiwo lapha ungakuthathele ekhanda msakazi, kodwa lena yokuqasha o-service provider ukuthi basilekelele, even ngisho i-contract yabo it's very clear, it's as and when. Asibaqashi usuku nosuku, but-ke mangabe kunesidingo esinayo siyakwazi ukuthi sibaqashe.
Ngizobuya kuwe Mhayisela ama-VIP toilet ngoba indeed abanye abantu uma ngikhuluma nabo baye babuke ngathi sikhuluma ama-toilet lawa adonswayo, abanye bathi cha yilawa asemawodini kakhulukazi. Kodwa ngizobuya kuwe Mfanisela, enye into la esiyibukayo la okuvelayo ukuthi ayingathi nani njengobholi ama-toilet kuthiwa niwadonsa. Ihani sakhe impela hayi bayigcina mhla kusaphethe ukhongolose. Ungakuvuma lawo noma uthini mfowabo?
Cha, kuyishwa nje mina ngihlala i-Ward 16. Omunye angangena akathi hayi wena uhlala kuphi, amakhaya ethu khona eseBlabush khona eseseven.
Cha baba nendle eyiningi.
Cha ubaba wayenesithini babebana amakhosikazi. Kodwa-ke ngizoveza ukuthi before sema-elections sibasevisile abantu, but umuntu
ngizobuyela basevise emva kwama-election. Oh okay.
Before ama-elections sabasevisa abantu, but sase siba ne-challenge ipanel iqedwa kulungiswa le eyokudonsa indle. But into esavumelana ngayo ukuthi mangabe umuntu kwenzeka ukuthi unomcimbi ulinyalelwe kuma-request, sizobasevisa ngalawo umkhandlu. Msasaza ngeke size sikubalekele ukuthi this type of ngiyazi ukuthi ngingangiqhatha nabantu ewadini kodwa kulungile, but these type of services were introduced because abantu they were happy bebona 422 million kwi-account. Why ngisho kanjalo? Abahlali baseBlabush, baseMndozo, koManzana, koLista balindele ukuthi dislodge ama-toilets.
Yes.
But they are receiving water for free. They are receiving into yokudonswa kwama-toilet noma ingekho ezingeni lasifisa ukuthi ibe khona, because umuntu angeke akubalekele lokho. But they are not paying anything kumasipala.
Abasebenzi.
I do agree now ukuthi abahlali abasebenzi. Kodwa sinento yokuthi abantu abangacoshi entweni. Sengisho ukuthi into engizama ukuyiveza ukuthi le program introduce-wanga kahle lokudonsa ama-toilet. Ngoba ukubuya introduce kahle babezofike bethi ekhaya eMambatheni kithi la ngizalwa khona akusebenzi muntu. Okusho ukuthi siyazi ukuthi bangabe sizodonsela abantu base-Ward 16 sinabantu aba-120 ngenza umzekeliso ekumele sibasevise for free because barejistile as abantu abangacoshi indawo with umasipala. Kodwa emizini ethile kukhona abantu abacoshayo. Mina ewadini ngiye engage-ke nabahlali ngahamba ngey'nyawo. Abanye they are willing to pay because Bhuti Mthofi ukukhokhela ukudonsa kwethoyilethi u-682 nganye. Asithi nje ekhaya khona-ke ama-families amakhulu azodinga ukuthi mhlawumbe asevisi noma ngo-3 ngonyaka. Kodwa kunama-families azodinga useviswa ngo-2. So bathi thina khansela asinayo inkinga ukuthi singayikhokha le mali as long sizodonselwa i-toilet. It's unfortunately ukuthi-ke awukwaziwe bese uthi uyorescinda ama-decisions ayethathwe before because abantu base-Ward 16 because abantu base-Ward 16 bengafila ngendlela abafila ngayo. Kodwa uthi uyakwamanye amawadi uthola ukuthi it's not the same. Ukunezelela kule yadi uyibuze ubaba uMahisi. Omunye engathi kodwa baba uMahisi maniqala edrobheni senibuya niza ngapha sekungene sekuyi-overtime. Cha,
ngisho njalo vele nami.
We took a decision as umkhandlu ukuthi we will not pay overtime. We have introduced into yama-shift ukuthi kukhona abazophuma kube khona abangenayo abosha samhothela ebusuku. Sisebenza kanjalo as umkhandlu wase eNewcastle.
Usho ukuthi nababhekelela ne-contract yabo phela masoshintsha i-contract umsebenzi kufanele athole isinxephezelo salowo.
Kunjalo. But angithi Bhuti Mthofi angeke ukhale ngesinxephezelo ngoba uzobe usekhaya uyazi ukuthi ungena nini. You still working the required hours in terms of labor. It's not like siyabastresha abasebenzi. La basuke besebenze emini bayaphuma kungena abanye bazosilekelela ntambama just to minimize into yelokho nje overtime.
Ake sizomhayisa ama-VIP toilet aso somkhulu umsizi mangikhumbula kahle kwakhulunywa ngo-28 million. So akwena sicacisele mfowamahisi ukuthi lama toilet VIP imaphi uqale lapho nje bese ukuthi why adle into njengaka zama-million.
Cha angiphinde ngibonge msakazi mhlambe la sikhuluma ngama-ventilated improved toilets la msakazi
walibeka mhayisi walibeka.
Cha mhlonishwa kufanele sizisho lezi zinto ukuze kungezukuba ne-narrative wrong ukuthi ama-councillors e-IFP they are illiterate. We are not at all. Cha la mhlonishwa masikhuluma ngama-toilet lawa ama-VIP of which-ke kube yishwa ukuthi mangabekiwa lapha kulela komiti leliya msakazi kwakhulunywa ngalama VIP umhlonishwa owaye usihlalo who's a doctor by profession wahluleka ukwazi ukuthi yini lesikhuluma ngayo lama VIP toilet msakazi kufanele sicacise ukuthi acelwa abahlali i-IDP. On our last IDP abahlali abayicelela lama toilet bathe mangabe sebewacela we had to respond to their call. Ingakho ke msakazi lama toilet lawa siwafaka more especially kule indawo ezikuma semi rural areas and deep rural areas as well. So ke msakazi kuzokuthusa ukuthi abafowethu they will come here station esithembeke kangaka bezomislead umphakathi. Lama VIP toilet lawa sithe masiqala ngo-phase 1 mhlonishwa. Ngingakubalela mhlonishwa ama-wadi ANC yiwona benefita kakhulu kulama VIP toilets lawa.
Bathi kudiphe enduna bathi ngisho njalo ukuthi umkhumiso lingeli intonto wasubabala nabo manje mhayisi.
Angibalungisa impela mhlonishwa kunewadi nje lomunye umhlonishwa we-ANC engeke ngimbale owareceive more than 1500 units ku-phase 1. Kwakusadipa zona-ke njalo ezenduna mshuthi nabo basenduneni nabo kwaqhutshekwa kwayiwa nalapha ko-Ward 14 la nase-Ward 29 nakhona kwane-program yalama-toilet aflashwayo. Then-ke amawadi lawa alidwa yi-IFP athola kancane mangabe ethole kancane kamawadi nako-ke sesibuya-ke sesiza kwi-phase yesibili. Phela we are not servicing amawadi kakhongolose kuphela, bonke abantu bayalingana. So-ke ibe isiyenziwa-ke i-allocation, sanikezwa-ke lama-VIP toilet. Into engingakunikeza isiqinisekiso sayo umhlonishwa, ungaya emabhukwini lapha kamasipala, akekho umuntu ovimbile ukuthi wabone imali that was allocated for ama-VIP toilet, imali that has been spent ngendlela okuyiyona yona up to the last cent. Ayikho-ke imali ehle ngomlenze. Njengoba ngikhuluma nje nawe umsakazi wami, ngizokutshena ngo-Ward 6. E-Ward 6 thina sireceive i-allocation ka-694 yama-toilet, of which abantu they do appreciate bangabe efika lawo ma-toilet ngoba ibona bawacela. So-ke nje ayikho ngisho isenti elimnyama elehla ngomlenze. Ithe phithi-ke ngoba mhlambe abahlonishwa bethu laba bakakhongolose ngiyacabanga basayidinga i-workshop ngoba washo umholi wabo ngelinye ilanga ukuthi capacity dololo in most of them. So kufanele bayotshena abantu ukuthi imali yakamasipala kunama-systems ayimonithayo up to the last cent ukuthi uyisebenzisa kanjani. Should it happen ukuthi wenza ngendlela engeyona yona, hayi bo, naba abahlonishwa bakhona bayakwazi ukuthi bakulekelele ukwazi ukuthi uye ngasejele. Yonke imali le ebi-allocated for ama-VIP toilet ispendwa kuwo ama-VIP toilet.
So buya mhayisi umthokoze gitikethe ubheka mdluli la Lit Radio sikhona ke la ku Facebook page ke si live sithi ke Lit Radio page, kanti ke nalapha ke online ku radio uyasithola ke ku internet online uyasithola. Ukhona producer wami la ngathi khona ufuna ukubamba lapha kuma comment lapha na ke page ni mfowabo.
Right, ngingasho nje ngiqale ngokusho ukuthi siyabonga ukuthi lapha ku Facebook baningi kakhulu ababukile nama comment baningi kakhulu, and already ku WhatsApp we are getting aba voice notes abanye la, so we are going to play them before siphume la, but ngifuna ukuthi nje sithathe ama comment ambalwa. Okunyeke Mthofi ukungichaza ukuthi nabanye abasakazi basilalele baya comment la bakhona emajuba. So asiqale lana nanguSizwe Mkwena uthi ngoba kubolile eNewcastle yonke umgwaqo ama-drain avalekile, idolobha lingcolile, amanzi awekho, yini esenziwe inkatha kulomkhandlu? NanguSandile Mahlaba uthi siyabingelela msakazi, ngicela ukubuza iqembu lenkatha ukuthi asebaningi kakhulu ama-events ewenzayo, ikakhulukazi ngoba isiphethe umkhandlu. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi bahlonishwa iphumaphi le mali yokukhokhela ama-artist amakhulu kangaka? Bese kuba khona-ke isincomo la uthi Precious Master Baholi, siyathokoza kakhulu ukhansela lase Ward 16 naku Ward 6. Bese uMancele Owuma Nqamane uba wabafana uthi Sethembe. Kuba khona uThobile Khumalo uthi inkatha ngiyithanda impela, iphethe amajuba kodwa ama-ofisi khona ama-ofisi khona i-ANC. Ngamanye amazwi uzosebenza kanjani kunesitha endlini esifuna amandla naso notha lapho Mthofi. Bese kuthi-ke uMpume Phumzile uthi abaholi bethu abahle intathi indlovu. Bekizwana uthi inkatha inhlangano ezibophezele ekusebenzeleni abantu baseNewcastle bayazi basifaka ezigweletini kumasipala wokuthunanela intuthuko, unanela ipoint lele kade lenziwa lapha ekuqaleni. Bese kuba khona uMadzure Dube Mdu uthi yabona inkatha ayikhulumeli ukuthi ishayele izandla, kepha itshela umphakathi okuyikho ngokuthi sizophuma kanjani kulezi inkinga esashiwa kuzo i-ANC, udla izimali usende. uMadlamini uthi hawu baboleka imali base beyidla, usho njalo-ke. Bese kuthi mhlawumbe bese ngiwavala kwamanje ngoba maningi kakhulu. Kube khona la uNgqomondo Phiwa yakithi uthi anifuni ukukhokhela ama-rates, abanye ugesi abawuthengi isidalo. So imuphi kumlingo inkatha okumele iwenze? Kumele sisizane sonke. Bese kuthi uPromise Mngomezulu uthi can we have a date with lamakhansela with ama-statements? Uthi ucela i-date amakhansela lawa le-studio aphathe nama-statement. Okokugcina uNdlovini Kwabe angikwazi ukumshiya impela, I think nombuzo sewubhalwe kwesibili. Uthi nginemibuzo eminingi kodwa ngicela ungibuzela ozoyikhona. Eminingi kakhulu ake ngithathe u-1 minute. what specific infrastructure projects were planned for our ward during your term, and which of those were actually completed? Unfortunately, iward alikho ukuthi iward banda. Bese uthi, can you explain why main infrastructure challenges such as roads, water, and sanitation remain unsolved? So sizothi okokuqala ke lokho ngoba lo munye sizongobani bese size kulo othi what budget was allocated for infrastructure development in our ward and how exactly was spent. Mhlawumbe mengasiphi iward angibe lapho kwamanje because imibuzo yakhe u-13 singezisho nje yodwa ngayo kodwa ngicela ukuthi ngibe lapho.
Yashisa.
Okay.
Akukunike nizonikana lapho imibuzo impendulo.
Yes, sithokoze Mthofu. One, umuntu kumele aqale ancume nje i-IFP. When we came into power, sifice kunabantu vele ababeqashiwe in terms of deployment. We even gave labo bantu ithuba lokuthi ba-upgrade ama-skills for ama-positions amanye abo babeqashelwe kona which they did not qualify ukuthi babe kuwona. Asiqale si-highlight lokho nje Mthofu. Sikhuluma ngale nto yokuthi kunabantu abase-ofisini
Nani kuthiwa ngu-director lapha SCM nimyekile kuthiwa hayi nakekho qualified but usehlala ecishe actor anominyaka emithathu.
Hayi Mthofu, ngizokutshela nje mina lela ofisi kahle kahle kwakumele libuye ngapha kwipolitiki because baningi abafisa ukuyocosha lapha kulela ofisi manje bangabe kungenzeki bathimula amakhala impela because we-CM iyona nje. But anyway, akusiyo engine per se, but the user departments they submit ama-projects kuyena and then uyena oyenza into ye-implementation. So leyo Mthofu ifuna nje show yodwa nje ungibize ngizokuxoxa kwenzakalani
ngayo le nsizwa.
Yes, ngayo le nsizwa. Bese sibuya siza kule eka sis promise. It's a pity ke ukuthi usis promise lo khuluma la manje eradweni u-involve lapha kule swimming pool esingakaze sibhukude kuyo Mthofu.
Oh,
Lela e3
le minyaka
yakhe he was uyena wayi-implementa their project. So angeke siye kakhulu kubantu abathe mangabe umlomo usushift uza la bengakhona ukuthi bakhona ukuyifunza.
Nina liphi plan lokuyilungisa lapha? Ngibuza ngoba vele iwodi engikhulele kuyo lana engizalele kuyo ngakhulele kuyo.
Mthofu iwuchubu kakhulu le nto ye-swimming pool because inento ye-investigation abayenza bona ebizwa ngongoti report. The recommendations are there but they never implemented lawo ma-recommendations. So it becomes into enzinyanyana ukuthi siyisebenze olokhunja osopolitiki Mthofu kodwa in time Mthofu sizodila ngaleya bese sibuya siza kule ye-planning ye-infrastructure. Mthofu sinama-pipe afana no-asbestos angaphansi komhlaba ana more than 45 years afakwa ngo-1970 something. Ingako now and again uzothola ukuthi sesivala amanzi lapha because siyolungisa i-pipe burst lapha, sivala amanzi lapha siyolungisa i-pipe burst lapha. But ngokuthembela ku-technical department yethu we have managed to secure Mthofu angikwazi ungakuvezi lokho 1.7 billion
current.
Yes.
Izolungisa leso
izo-addressa into yala emadadeni osizweni yokushintsha ipipe ngaphansi le-asbestos because awukwazi ukuthi uyalazi ipipe le-asbestos during rainy season last experience khona kakhulu ama-pipe burst because ngidlula ama-truck alayishile and then le pipe liyahluleka ukubamba umthamo gcina li-burst. And
manje omunye manje senikhamba uma sekusondela ukuvota le mali ivelaphi manje ungatsheli kuyo.
Mthofu angithi ipolitiki efanele uyi-understand when we came in Mthofu besingenalo izwi kuhulumeni omkhulu until last year until 2024 I mean where now we are part of the government. You understand where now upresident wethu uMhlonishwa uHlabisa is the minister of court. Sesiyakwazi nathi ukuthi sikhale akhulume nopresident wecountry umhlonishwa uRamaphosa. Ingakho sikwazi manje ukuthi sikhona ngisho nokumuva. Kukhona ebikhuluma ngento yamanzi ukuthi lithini iplan lethu ngento yamanzi. Currently I think in less than a month and a half so besenza isoil turning eBafana okuwumzinyathi. Sibukile bhuti Mthofu ukuthi one masifuna uku-upgrade because i-challenge ekhona we do have water but we don't have infrastructure. Abahlonishwa bebekhona before they failed to plan in advance for ukukhula kweNewcastle. Bhuti Mthofu mangabe uphuma ubheka e-Utrecht ungaweqi umzinyathi uyakhumbula ukube kuyisiganga lapha siyindlusela. Now igcwele imizi. Abahlonishwa ba-approve phela ngeke sikubalekele. Abahlonishwa ba-approve into yokwenza ama-stem pipes emajardini ukuthi Dix Manzana Jakalas kumele babe namanzi emajardini. But bangayiconsider isource. The current plant that we have in Newcastle cannot cope with the demand yamanzi. Noma singawavala amanzi ngoba senza nje sivala late ngabo 9 ebusuku usizama ukunyusa imithamo kuma reservoir lapha phezulu Driefontein lapha phezulu eDrycut. But soon as amanzi ekseni makuvuka nje siwadedela amanzi ahamba wonke. So whatever ephantshwa lapha ezansi ethukela iza kuma reservoir iyahamba yonke. So ngancane nje ngiyaqosa into. So we have a project ka 95 million where siya kuphi siya eBafana where we intention yethu is to service iDix, si service iNdozo, si service iManzana, si service iBlabush as well. Mangabe ukuthi uyakhumbula we commission la ikhona they spoke of almost 40% loss of water evela emkhandlwini. It's not loss per se. NgwaseBlabush ekhaya akukho ngisho imitha. Angithi angeke sikubalekele lokho. Ekhaya akho mitha yokuthi nansi imitha ekhona imbalo imize e116 enamamitha ekhokhela amanzi ewa-receiver. So those are part of ama
Ushuthi wena njengoba bejoin siwenenzela nje ukuthi ama-truck adla amanzi ngoba vele adlelana nani lama-truck ama-water tank ukuthi yikho nibeni wavale kube ngathi kune-crisis kanti nenzela ukuthi nedla imali uyakuphika lo.
It's not true. Ukube kuya yabo nje iChina introduced into unique Bhuti Mthofu ukuthi ophethe alide until because nayo le yokuloku kushintshwa izandla it's one of the cause of izimo esithola sibhekene nazo. The reason why now we are experiencing into yescarcity it's because of infrastructure efailayo engaphansi komhlaba. Where we did not have planning a proper. Two, awukwazi yabo njengamanje nje mina noma yise namanye abahlonishwa sine pipe i-project ye-pipe ikhona la i-bulk water pipe. If land ingacommissionwa le Driefontein Newcastle yonke ngeke ibe namanzi. Amanzi azoyima wadina u6. How do you plan as all engineer ukuthi implement such a thing ezothi mangabe ngathi ithi kube ne-challenge?
Ake sinike na umhayisa nathi ukuphendula kwemibuzo yakhe ukuze nami mangilandelele naseke waphefumula.
Cha msakazi mhlambe nje we need to remind our electorate that IFP exists to serve the people, of which that is exactly what we are doing at this point in time. Mhlambe ngoba ngikhansela eliphinde lihlale eMajuba Mhlonishwa
Elibuye eMazulu High School.
Yes, elibuye eMazulu Mhlonishwa. Mhlambe nje umuntu akakuveza ukuthi abahlonishwa laba abaphumile bathe bezama Mhlonishwa bezama uku-addressa into yamanzi. Bahamba bayokhanda i-reservoir le phezulu yes eDriefontein lapha eDrycut. You know what they did? Bahamba bayo appointa inkampani ekhanda amagwinya Mhlonishwa bathi ayihambe le nkampani iyokhanda leya reservoir that worth so much iwetha ama millions and millions of rands leyo leyo reservoir. Ngifuna ukukutshena ukuthi kwenzakaleni mhlonishwa, yakhomishinwa yaqedwa, ithe isiqediwe mhlonishwa without doing ama-pressure test, badecide ukukhokhela usonkontileka yonke imali, bamnika yonke imali yakhe, even ngisho imali ye-retention, ukuthi babejaheni ngeke sazi mhlonishwa. Ngibuza ukuthi kubese kwenzakalani mase kwenziwa i-pressure test, yavuza yonke.
So usho nje manje abantu bangale kosizweni ngabe kubulula nyana ukuthi amanzi afike kubo ngale reservoir
Exactly mhlonishwa, leyo reservoir leyo
ayisebenzi.
azange zisebenze, but ngiyamangala mabezo grandstanda la abazisho lezo zinto lezo ivuza literally. As a result, njengoba nje ekuchazela umhlonishwa uNtsele ukuthi ama-process controllers ethu, they are working tirelessly to ensure ukuthi umthamo bawugcina uphezulu, but only to find ukuthi mangabe sesenza lento ye-water shedding, mangabe sebevula amanzi avela avuleke kakhulu. Khumbula phela ukuthi sinesource eyodwa yamanzi, in as much as nathi si-Water Service Authority si-Newcastle namajuba nawo, they are also having that authority as well. Kodwa nje mhlonishwa kufanele sikubeke nje kucace, sizama ngawo konke okusemandleni. Okwesibili mhlonishwa, bese ngiya lapha kumhlonishwa wami uSizwe Mkwena, lona othi nje kubolile. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi mfowethu alikho igama alithanda njengaleli lokuthi kubolile. Angikutsheleke ukuthi kwenzakaleni msakazi. Bekade sivakashelwe i-Political Oversight Committee ye-IFP, izovakasha, izokwenza nje umsebenzi wayo, izosibheka njengamakhanselazi e-IFP ukuthi siperforma kanjani. Bahambe very amazed ngokuthi idolobha lethu balifice linithi idolobha lethu, more especially eNewcastle ngoba fanele sikhulume iqiniso. Kodwa msakazi kufanele ngikutshene ukuthi with limited resources lawo esiwasebenzisayo, we are managing ukuthi sikline i-Osizweni area. Mangabe ungayibuka manje ukuthi i-state sakhona sesinjani, you will be very amazed. Namadada-ke nakhona siyazama nakhona, kodwa into ekufanele sifundisane yona, singajahi ukuthi kubolile, ukuthi sikhumbuzane phela ukuthi udoti asingawulahli ey'ndaweni ekungafanele siwulahle kona, ngoba yonke lento le esenzela ukuthi idolobha lingcole kanje, it's because of illegal dumping.
Bathi niyajayivisa nina nenza ama-event. Yikho lingcole idolobha.
Siyazake mhlonishwa kuleyo yama-events, ngeke siyibalekele mhlonishwa, but-ke namhlanje ekuseni bekade ngikhuluma no-Dr. Kelly, o-director waka-Waste, wanginikeza isiqinisekiso sokuthi lama-skip bins lawa esingasenawo manje ey'ndaweni ey'ningi, more especially
emathateni.
Yes, especially emathateni.
Osizweni akhona impela maningi, kodwa ngapha kuyaphela.
Into eyisizathu sokuthi lama-skip bins singabi nawo ukuthi abantu bafike bachithe kona, bathi mase bechithile bese beshisa umlilo. So i-skip bin was never designed for that, ukuthi sikwazi ukubamba umlilo bese siyabola, right, sibe ne-rust. Nayo-ke into esiyenzileke ukonfirmile-ke namhlanje ekuseni uDr. Kelly ukuthi umasipala olidwa umhlonishwa umeya uDX Dube umanagile ukuthi urun ama-SCM processes awokuthi sikwazi ukuthola i-material. I-material izokwenzani-ke? Izolungisa wonke lama-skip bins lawo, but before siwabuyisele kulama-illegal dumping spot, sizoya emphakathini sifike sibakhoshine ukuthi umonakalo abawenzayo ungakanani. Kodwa nje le we are coming there mhlonishwa, uzoyibonela nawe mhlonishwa.
Ama-event manje bathi niyajayivisa nina, nigijimisa amahashi. Ufuna ukuthatha wena Ntsele, bathi nigijimisa amahashi nina anibaniki intuthuko.
Okay. One into yama-event umuntu akayiveze nje i-one event.
Ngicabanga umngani wami ama-event kusami la ekhona kuba sikhe emoyeni ngabe ngiyambili.
Into yama-event i-one into ongayibiza nge-event. I-event ile yamashi. But kulo nyaka ondlule esisuka kona, I'm sure sibonile ngisho iy'ngane ey'ncane zi-trader ukuthi imindeni yabo nayo ilale iqoshiwe. Ngoba ingaphazamisa ukuthi sizoyibuka njengama-event, kodwa singabuki ukuthi i-benefit isobani nane-factor ukuthi what is the beneficial factor on this program esi-introducile as i-current administration. Umuntu akangaphambanisa ama-event. I-event ile yenziwa umkhandlu i-one. Bese abantu babuye bezokhuluma ngento yama-sports. Bayithathe as i-event. As a municipality, we have a social responsibility. Ukuthi as much as sikwenza ukuthi yabo nje mangabuka ama-capital projects esenzile yiwo wonke lawa bhuti mfowethu. Yiwo wonke lawa ama-capital projects lawa. Ama-page lawa awu 5, 6 I mean ama-capital projects. But i-event iyi-one. But lokhu kwama-sport angeke singayidlalisi iy'ngane.
Kunjani?
Because iy'ngane kumele siyi-select, siyiqeqeshe ngoba kune-program yamasalga. Kule nto yamasalga, there are kids abagcina besilethwa professional.
Mhlawumbe banokunibona abanye phela makosa desmo lapha ziduma lapha kukhona iy'nkuni zomthandeni umfaka amanqele oduyazi.
No, iyahlupha-ke. Yabo nje mina njengokhansela uSele ngi-contributor u-2,200 towards i-IFP monthly edonswayo. Ubaba uMayiso ngoba uhlala kwi-ESK, I think uphaya 5.7 towards i-IFP. I-IFP raise ngaphandle kwaloko we are also paying imali engango-500 monthly towards i-caucus. Then you can add amakhansela e-IFP. I can assure you that we are contributing more than 10,000 a month towards i-caucus. I-IFP inama-programs awo ey'fandela wona eceleni. Bese umasipala unama-programs awo. Umuntu angabuza ukuthi isiphumaphi imali engaka. Fanele sibuyele emuva simfundise-ke umhlaba. 2011 we were left with 2 municipalities. From 2011 aqala from 2016 bakhulu omasipala, 2021 bakhulu omasipala. Ukukhula komasipala kusho ukuthi kunyuka i-contribution ye-IFP because asemaningi amakhansela acontributayo towards into ye-IFP. So i-IFP inamakhansela yabo nje umhlonishwa ehlala kwi-ESK ekhokha u-5,800. Uzoyibuza ukuthi awungaka amakhansela 8 ahlala kwi-ESK. Bese uyahamba uyokumhlonishwa abangomeya abacontributor more than 10,000. Uhambe ku-legislature, uhambe national. All those people are contributing.
Ake sinike nango producer wami mfoka Mlinda Mkhondo. Siza ukuthi uphethe la ngoba sithe abantu abakhulume fanele ba-engage nani bakwazi. Fanele sibanikeze ithuba mzalwane. Ngathi asamboni nje. Yeah, silive-ke Lit Radio. Siyatholakala lapha ku Facebook. Mfoka baba usutholile. Yeah, ngathi iyabaleka-ke la. Kodwa-ke
cha ngisahamba ngilayitela ngosi la ngicela ukuthi abahlonishwa abayiphendulele la ekuthenini izolo bekade kukhona ikhongolose la khona ethe inkathi yenza ubugebengu obusha ebuqapheleni obuphezulu kabi la khona lashona kwikhansela le-ANC leyo lithenga ukuthi resign ukuze limsasazele ngesikhundla seposition somkhandlu. Ngisacela-ke impendulo lapho ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi inkathi isasazele ikhansela le-ANC ngeposition manje futhi usaphefoma kuyona then bese kuyo kuma-by-elections because izinto ey'kanje sizogcina siy'bona size sicabanga ukuthi zenzeke kahle kanti azenzeki kahle bese kucela ukuthi abahlonishwa bayiphendulele.
Siyabonga.
okay. Yeah, sithola nje abalaleli la ku-VN.
Lapho station umsakazo. Ngibingelela nonke. Ngibingelela nabahlonishwa bakhona. Sacela ukubuza kubahlonishwa more especially umhlonishwa oqeda ukukhuluma ngama-toilets ase-Ward 6 awu-694. Sacela ukubuza kumhlonishwa ukuthi ku-694 malini ayi-allocate-iwe for ama-toilet awu-694 angama-VIP, bese futhi sacela ukwazi ukuthi i-toilet linye babelikhanda ngamalini. Ngiyabonga. Semaningi kakhulu ama-event ewenzayo la Newcastle,
Hayi
ikakhulu
bese siyitholile lama event mfowethu sizokwazi ukuthi siqhubeke nabahlonishwa. Mr. Sungaqala ubaphendula.
Cha, sibonge msakazi ukuthi uphinde usinike ithuba. Mhlambe nje msakazi, lo mbuzo wokuqala okhuluma ngekhansela le-ANC ela-resigner, mhlonishwa ekuthiwa lanonoselwa ngemali.
Kuthiwa maningi phela kuthiwa hayi andlani.
Mhlambe msakazi, i-history has got no blank pages msakazi. Fanele sikuveze msakazi ukuthi alikho ikhansela le-ANC elanonoselwa ngemali mhlonishwa. Alikho lokwa ngempela futhi mangabe likhona abahlonishwa laba abanobufakazi bekufanele baye e-police station bayovula icala kuze laba babenungisela lelo khansela bakwazi ukuthi ba-charge appropriately. But-ke okungiwarishayo ngomhlali waseDannhauser, umhlali waseDannhauser lo kufanele ngabe ukhuluma ngama-critical issues of importance, more especially into yamanzi, ukuthi yini into eyenza ukuthi bangabi namanzi lapho. Akhumbuleke ukuthi ngo-2019 kwakune-project la kwakuphethe khona uKhongolose khona la adecide ukuthi uyofaka i-infrastructure kumawadi aseDannhauser local municipality without identifying the proper source of water, ukuthi amanzi azophuma. Ingakho-ke msakazi uthola ukuthi namhlanje akukaze kuze kuphume ngisho iconsi lamanzi kulezo indawo lezo zaseDannhauser. So
asibuye kancane manje eseDannhauser ngoba abekho bona eDannhauser. Ake sishayele ngoba lo umlaleli lo uyabuza.
Ukhona impela umlaleli ngoba ushilo ukuthi uqhamuka ngasendaweni yaseDannhauser, so kufanele simphendule. Awekho-ke amakhansela a-resigniswa. Esikukhumbula kahle-ke msakazi ngoba thina sabahlali bala eNewcastle akaze size siye ndawo msakazi. Siyakhumbula ukuthi mzukwana iqembu lenkathi yenkululeko yesizwe lilahlekelwa womasipala. Kukhona indoda eyafika nama-briefcase msakazi. Khona indoda eyafika nama-briefcase msakazi okuyiyona-ke leyo ndoda ekusafanele ngelinye ilanga ikibuzwe msakazi ukuthi lama-briefcase eyayiwaphethe eyanikeza amakhansela e-IFP ukuthi aresign ukuze iqembu le-ANC lizongena emandleni, yayivelephi leyo mali leyo. Emva kwaloko lawo makhansela abe seyathathwa athenjiswa umsebenzi. Kuyimanje lawo makhansela lawo ahlezi dengwane kuyimanje ngoba iy'thembiso ababethenjiswe zona they were never fulfilled. Kodwa nje le yokuthi i-IFP yathenga ama-toilet, cha akusilona iqiniso lena.
Lo obuzayo ngendaba yama-toilet usuke wathi ukuthi angazi ibudget yawo mangakhi, mhlawumbe uyakhona umphendula noma istate sakhe awusiphethe la.
Ngizomlekelela nje umhlonishwa njengoba ngishilo nje ukuthi ama-units ayu-694 lawo esiwatholile mhlonishwa wami. Mhlambe nje kuyangimangaza ukuthi yini into enza umhlonishwa leyo abe ne-appetite engaka yokufuna nje ama-units ase-Ward 6 kuphela. Wayekile lama-units lawa afakelwa iwadi lika-ANC more than 1,500, but une-appetite nje yokuthi ufuna ukwazi ukuthi la i-breakdown yama kanjani. Ngizomlekelela msakazi ngoba kunale tendency ekhona le yokuthi amakhansela msakazi abantu abaqamba amanga. Bengizocela nje ukuthi umfowethu abe-Liberty aye kamasipala uzofike nje bamlekelele ne-breakdown ukuthi ama-toilet a-charge-wa kanjani, iziphi iy'nkampani ezasebenza mhlambe kuze ezoshesha aphenduleke, iziphi iy'nkampani ezasebenza, bangaka abantu abalekelelwa ababe ama-EPWP. Yiloko nje ngiyacabanga angasondela ngakamasipala. Leyo information leyo it's for public purposes, ayikho into efihliwe lapho. Bengizosho kanjalo.
Ngifuna uprofessor wami kodwa professor khona into nganoma iphendulekile kodwa ngicabanga iphendulekile in general nje ukuthi bakhala ngemigwaqo ama-pothole bathi hayi kuyabheda njoba kubala amabhiliyoni asetholakele ukuze likwazi ukulungisa amapayipi athize njoba zibheke okhethweni ama-pothole njeni madoda ngithule.
Msasazi
Nginemoto nami yikho ngibuka.
iqiniso nje lithi Msasazi, uma umhlali waseNyukhasela uhamba ngemoto encane kuba nzima ukuxaka emgwaqweni yethu. Sibuyele-ke kule muntu akayiveza. Besinqonqoza eminyangweni for ukulekelela, because one, umuntu kumele acknowledge into ye-climate change. Iy'mvula zethu ayisani ngendlela ebekade zina ngayo before.
Njalo.
Kodwa Msasazi, njengoba ngihleli la phambi kwakho namhlanje, usanda appointwa nje ukontraka ozosilekelela ngama-potholes emadadeni. Silinde ukuthi siphushe ukuthi silekeleleke naso osizweni. Msasazi, iplani lethu noma ukhokha lo wethu esesiwulida olidwa ushele through u-disaster bakhonile ukuthi basilekelele ngento ka-25 kilometers emadadeni, 25 kilometers osizweni. We're not only going to patch ama-potholes where there's a need to receive umgwaqo, we will do so. Ibuyela lade ngisho khona-ke Msasazi, ngibuye ngibazwele nje laba bajaha amandla. Kunzima ukuthi ube kuhulumeni at the lowest sphere of i-government okuyi-local, where you have i-province ube ne-national. If ungazwakali kwi-province, ungazwakali kwi-national, politicians are very brutal, Msasazi.
Akunginika nangu-producer wami ngoba uselokhu engibheka kabi la nesikhathi esiphethe uye manje ngifuna zangishaya.
No, siyaxolisa inkulumo ishubile, kodwa manje isikhathi okusho ukuthi mhlawumbe kuyofuna ngelinye ilanga futhi mhlawumbe siphinde siyiqhube, because namanje ifoni yami iyakhala, abantu bafuna ukuthi bayikhulumele live. Kodwa-ke ngifuna ukuthatha nje abambalwa noma seningasakhomentanga ngenxa yesikhathi, kodwa ukuthi sikudlulise mhlawumbe ngizothi nje mhlawumbe kwakhwaphi kokubili engikubona mhlawumbe kunesidingo. Uthi u-Andile Romeo Khumalo, bahlonishwa niyaphila, nazi nakhuluma kamnandi kodwa nisilekelele ngalento okuthiwa yimoli e-6. Umasipala uthini singaziswanga lutho nje siwumphakathi. Le comment ekhuluma ngemoli lokivela, so that's why sengithi asiyithathe singayishiyi. Bese uthi la omunye uNonhlanhla mina uthi Newcastle isiboliswe inkatha, isimanga kuhlala inkatha kuphela. Ukhulekani Ntwana uthi intuthu sayigcina ngenkatha ngoba futhi sesithola ngani futhi asiqhubeke sibone abanye. Lo usabuya lapho uthi khiphana ama-statement ase-Eskom promise. Bese kuthi namhlanje Ward 5 sibona inkatha isika isiganga, baphi abamasipala. Ukhansela ngathi uyalwazi-ke lolu daba. Baningi kakhulu, angime lapho okwamanje bese ukuthi siya ngasekutheni sofike ngasekugoqeni ngenxa yesikhathi.
Ukhona
Sorry, kukhona ngiyabheka la mhlawumbe ngizothola khona beyikhuluma ngo-Eskom but ngizozama ukuyithola
ngizothi nje but Mthofu ngisheshe. One, vele umuntu aka-acknowledge ukuthi we managed to settle into ka-Eskom, but sine-challenge ukuthi phela uNASA o regulator into ka
mawuthi exactly into yaScom ngoba
sakhokha sonke isikweletu futhi Mthofu.
nasiqeda
Sasiqeda.
kodwa manje sikhona
Sabuya isikweletu.
siyela kubhillion mabesha amasa.
Sabuya isikweletu.
Ngifuna njengoba sesikhathi siyaphela nje mfethu ngifuna usalusufane amathukuza ngoba ngabona abantu bathukuza ngathi babekhalaza ngendaba yogesi ukuthi it's too expensive wona ngenzela ngoba isikhathi sesiyashaya mfethu.
Futhi Mthofu wabuya u-Eskom sanyuka futhi isikweletu sanyuka kakhulu. As a result nje even no treasurer naye khona izinto azenzayo kodwa I'm not at liberty ukuthi ngikhulume ngazo la. Isikweletu sinenkinga yokuthi as much as abahlali base Newcastle edolobheni becomplaina ngama rates, but what we are billing them in terms of Eskom kungaphansi kwaloko esimele sikukhokhe kwa Eskom. And then sine challenge yama winter tariffs. njengoba umuntu ehlala nje ku-Impact, at some point we can bring statements. Khola la u-Eskom ayisibhile khona 110 million in 1 month. I think it was August last year. 110 million. So zonke lezi zinto zibuyela between 12 ekutheni we are not collecting enough. Because ukhumbula ukuthi kuloko esikukolekayo kulama lokhunje kumele siprovide plastic, kumele sibo diesel, kumele sikhokhele abasebenzi kulama ward house 6 ngizoyibamba la bese kuthi laba abasemathukuza umuntu uzosuka la because awusiwoqala ngiye ngathi nami ngiyolungisa izikweletu zasekhaya zezindlu zasekhaya kamasipala ngabezwa abanye odadewethu bekhaya. So umuntu into angayenza lapho ukuthi aphinde acele umhlonishwa umeya ukuthi ake sisondele ebantwini bakamathukuza. Because kungaba yishwa ukuthi ngikhulume la ngize ngiyicommit ukuthi sizokwenza 1 2 3 4.
Okay.
Then bese ngibuya kule mall level manje. Bahlonishwa niyabona kunomsindo omkhulu.
Kunjani?
Okhona regarding into ye-mall. I-mall is being captured by abantu abayibiza nge-private sector. Into yase-mall. One sazi ukuthi u-CLO uqashwa abahlonishwa abasuke bengamele i-project. Kodwa lapho kwafika no-CLO. Manikhumbula kuneforum yamasha yaya khona lapha kodwa wasekuphendula umhlonishwa uVictor Cele ubhuti uVictor kusho ubhuti uVictor wathi mayiphendula uVictor la ku social media wakhuluma into yokuthi inkatha unyamazana wafaka ngisho nomhlonishwa umeya kulento yasemall. Bahlali fanele nikwazi umhlonishwa uVictor lo uyi-beneficiary in terms of business emall. Ingakho nje makunyakaziswa imall ezoba nomsindo. Kodwa an interesting part umuntu owu-CLO we-mall umuntu wakhe alala naye embhedeni owunkosikazi. So akumele masidila nezinto bese siyayibhambatha ezinto. Kodwa-ke I heard ukuthi kunohlelo oluseceleni laba abahlonishwa abasiphethe abazama uku-addressa le yanto yasemall. But inomsindo omkhulu le yanto yasemall. Abantu baseNewcastle abakwazi ukuthi babukele i-development ihambe.
Kodwa batho ufitha amabesho njengoba usho nje ukuthi wambona cha kwakuyile trade leyo asiyinike credit ukuthi iyakwazi ukuthi ibe khona. So bathi banicela ukuthi nisondele kuxoxisane be i-Nolan KZN champ but nina niyabaleka nto niyabaleka basho njani? Okay,
no kuyiphutha ngoba kunabafowabo abanabo kuyo le chamber yabo abakhonayo ukuba ne-access kumhlonishwa umeya. And then why him? Angeke ngibiza, I'm not at liberty to mention amagama abafowethu ngoba siyaphila naye. Kodwa why ke yena ukuthi uyedwa nje ongakhona ukusondela kumhlonishwa. Mina I can challenge i-Elite Brain in one of the Fridays ekuseni. Cela niye kamhlonishwa umeya. You will find 300 to
akusayiwa ngamasonto.
Friday. Niye kamhlonishwa umeya.
Intatheli ezazonke.
Ngizobona ukuthi abantu abasuke begcwele lapha. Bese ukuthi nje
angababona futhi.
Bese ukuthi kuba bonke labantu abangaka uVictor kuphela ozovitshwa. Before Zibali. Now ama project asemawadini e-ANC.
Yeah.
It's not true.
Hayi ukuthi deepest endulo.
It's not true.
Uthi ekwali nihamba ngudle nidilize ngale ishiye ngale.
Awukwazi ukuthi mawukhuluma ngama project ne service delivery. Umhlonishwa umayesi i-department yakhe it's servicing amaward e-ANC because ukuthuthwa kwenkunkuma it's a service delivery. Ugrethwa kwemigwaqo it's also a service delivery. Awukwazi kubese uyofocus kwenkwali.
Hayi ngiyanibona niphethe kuningi. Umhlonishwa uhlatshwayo ngimnike mfowethu elogcina ngikwazi ukuvalela umhlonishwa uhlatshwayo kubo bonke abantu.
Angisale sengingena nami nje sengigijima kule yasemall. Mhlambe le yasemall kufanele sicacise ukuthi le yamall leya iphuma ngesinxele. Ama developers akhona afika kamasipala azoyipresenta kwi-ESCO only to find ukuthi abahlonishwa laba babefikile they were very pompous. Umuntu kufanele akusho lokho bathi they were there just to appraise the leadership of Newcastle. Ne-development ezokwenzeka kuleya ndawo ayikho into abayidingayo eNewcastle. Yila ngapha kamakhona ngababuza ukuthi iyiphi infrastructure enizoyisebenzisa mangabe nithi anidinge lutho la. Bahluleka ukuthi baphendule leyo mbuzo. Ama drawings abo cishe niyalwazi udaba kufanele aye lapha ka human settlement aye phansi ka-IGR, but bathi bona bazozenzela yonke into. So njengoba ubona-ke bayazenzela without the involvement of i-local leadership.